When troubleshooting smoke detector issues, firstly, eliminate nuisance causes. Inspect all smoke detectors for any obstructions, dust, or insects. Check electrical connections for loose or damaged wires. Ensure proper ventilation in areas where smoke detectors are located. Secondly, consider the type of smoke detector. Kiddie smoke detectors are known to have false alarms due to their ionization sensing technology. VRK smoke detectors are generally more reliable, but photoelectric detectors are better suited for detecting smoldering fires. Consider replacing all smoke detectors with photoelectric models. Thirdly, understand the impact of incense and spices. Incense and spices can release particles that trigger smoke detectors. Advise the occupants to use incense and spices in well-ventilated areas away from smoke detectors. Install carbon monoxide detectors in addition to smoke detectors to provide additional protection. Fourthly, check the sensitivity settings. Check the sensitivity settings in the smoke detectors. If possible, adjust the settings to a lower sensitivity level to reduce false alarms. Fifthly, consider the location. Ensure smoke detectors are placed in the correct locations away from heat sources and areas where incense or spices are used. Consider moving detectors to less sensitive areas or replacing them with heat detectors in high-risk areas. Sixthly, perform regular maintenance. Regularly test all smoke detectors according to the manufacturer's instructions. Replace batteries every 6 months or as recommended. Clean detectors with a vacuum cleaner or compressed air. In addition to these steps, educate the occupants about the importance of reducing false alarms. Provide clear instructions on how to use incense and spices safely. Consider installing a smoke alarm monitoring system to notify authorities in case of a real emergency. Photoelectric smoke detectors use a light source and a sensor. When smoke enters the detector, it scatters the light, and if enough light is scattered onto the sensor, the alarm is triggered. They are generally more effective at detecting slow, smoldering fires. Ionization smoke detectors have a small amount of radioactive material between two electrically charged plates, which ionizes the air and allows a current to flow. When smoke particles enter the chamber, they disrupt the ionization and reduce the current, triggering the alarm. They are generally more responsive to fast flaming fires. When installing smoke detectors, follow these guidelines. Install smoke detectors on every level of the home, including the basement. Place detectors inside and outside of sleeping areas. Mount detectors in the ceiling or high on the wall. Avoid placing detectors near kitchens or bathrooms, where steam or cooking fumes can trigger false alarms. Keep detectors at least 10 feet or 3.48 meters away from cooking appliances. Test smoke detectors monthly by pressing the test button. Replace batteries at least once a year or when the detector shouts to indicate a low battery. Clean smoke detectors regularly with a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and debris. Replace smoke detectors every 10 years or as recommended by the manufacturer. If false alarms persist, consider these additional troubleshooting steps. Check for drafts near the smoke detector. Drafts can carry dust and particles that trigger false alarms. Ensure that the smoke detector is properly installed and mounted. A loose or improperly mounted detector can be more susceptible to false alarms. Consider using a smoke detector with a hush feature, which allows you to temporarily silence the alarm. If all else fails, consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional. They can help you identify and resolve the underlying cause of the false alarms. Carbon monoxide detectors detect the presence of carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless, and poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is produced by the incomplete combustion of fuels such as natural gas, propane, oil, and wood. Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of the home, especially near sleeping areas. Replace carbon monoxide detectors every 5 to 7 years, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation, testing, and maintenance of smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Proper placement and regular maintenance are essential for ensuring the safety of your home and family. Remember, smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are life-saving devices. Make sure they are properly installed, maintained, and tested regularly. Addressing false alarms promptly is crucial for maintaining the effectiveness of these safety measures. Smoke detectors serve as a critical line of defense, providing early warnings that can save lives. It is also important to understand the technology used in smoke detectors. Ionization smoke detectors use a small amount of radioactive material to detect smoke particles, while photoelectric smoke detectors use a light beam to detect smoke. Photoelectric detectors are generally better at detecting smoldering fires, while ionization detectors are more responsive to flaming fires. For comprehensive protection, consider using a combination of both types of detectors or dual sensor detectors that incorporate both technologies. Proper placement is key to effective smoke detection. Install smoke detectors on every level of your home, inside and outside of sleeping areas, and in hallways. Avoid placing detectors near kitchens, bathrooms, or garages, where steam, humidity, or exhaust fumes can trigger false alarms. Keep detectors away from windows and doors, where drafts can interfere with their operation. Regular testing and maintenance are essential for ensuring that smoke detectors function properly. Test your smoke detectors monthly by pressing the test button. Replace the batteries at least once a year, or when the detector emits a chirping sound indicating a low battery. Clean your smoke detectors regularly with a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and debris. Replace smoke detectors every 10 years, as their sensors can become less sensitive over time. If you experience frequent false alarms, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Ensure that the smoke detector is clean and free of dust or debris. Check the detector's location and move it away from potential sources of false alarms, such as cooking appliances or humid areas. Consider replacing the detector with a different type or model. If false alarms persist, consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional. When dealing with incense and spices, take extra precautions to prevent false alarms. Use incense and spices in well-ventilated areas away from smoke detectors. Consider using incense burners with lids or covers to contain the smoke and particles. Avoid using incense or spices near open windows or doors, where drafts can carry the particles to smoke detectors. Regularly clean the areas where incense and spices are used to remove any accumulated residue. Educate all occupants of the home about the importance of preventing false alarms and the proper use of incense and spices. In addition to smoke detectors, consider installing carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly. Carbon monoxide detectors will alert you to the presence of this gas, allowing you to take action to protect yourself and your family. Install carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home, especially near sleeping areas. Test your carbon monoxide detectors monthly and replace them every 5 to 7 years. Addressing smoke detector issues requires a systematic approach, combining preventative measures, regular maintenance, and prompt troubleshooting. By understanding the technology, following best practices, and educating occupants, you can minimize false alarms and ensure the effectiveness of these life-saving devices. This includes ensuring that the detectors are not placed in areas with high humidity, such as bathrooms, as the moisture can trigger false alarms. Also, avoid placing them near air vents or fans, as the airflow can carry dust and particles that may set off the alarm. Another aspect to consider is the sensitivity of the smoke detectors. Some models allow you to adjust the sensitivity level, which can be helpful in reducing false alarms caused by cooking or other common household activities. However, it's important to strike a balance between reducing false alarms and maintaining adequate sensitivity to detect real fires. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for guidance on adjusting the sensitivity settings. If you are still experiencing problems with false alarms after trying these steps, it may be necessary to consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional. They can assess your specific situation and recommend the best course of action. This may involve replacing the smoke detectors with different models, relocating them to more suitable locations, or making other adjustments to your home's electrical system or ventilation. In addition to addressing the immediate issue of false alarms, it's also important to educate all members of your household about fire safety. This includes teaching them how to recognize the sound of the smoke alarm, what to do in case of a fire, and how to safely evacuate the home. Regular fire drills can help to reinforce these lessons and ensure that everyone knows what to do in an emergency. Finally, remember that smoke detectors are not a substitute for fire insurance. Make sure that you have adequate insurance coverage to protect your home and belongings in the event of a fire. Review your insurance policy regularly to ensure that it meets your current needs. By taking these steps, you can help to protect your home and family from the dangers of fire. Smoke detectors are an essential part of any home safety plan, but they are only effective if they are properly installed, maintained, and used. Take the time to learn about smoke detectors and how to troubleshoot common problems, and you can help to keep your home and family safe. This also involves keeping the smoke detectors free of dust and debris. Dust can accumulate inside the detector and interfere with its ability to detect smoke. Regularly clean your smoke detectors with a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. Pay close attention to the vents and openings on the detector, as these are the areas where dust is most likely to accumulate. If you are using a vacuum cleaner, use the brush attachment to avoid damaging the detector. When cleaning your smoke detectors, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Some manufacturers recommend using a specific type of cleaning solution or a specific cleaning method. Failure to follow the manufacturer's instructions could damage the detector or void the warranty. In addition to cleaning your smoke detectors regularly, you should also test them monthly. To test your smoke detectors, press the test button on the detector. The detector should emit a loud, piercing sound. If the detector does not sound, or if the sound is weak or distorted, replace the batteries immediately. It's also a good idea to test your smoke detectors after you have been away from home for an extended period of time, such as after a vacation. This will ensure that the detectors are working properly when you return home. If you have any concerns about the performance of your smoke detectors, consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional. They can inspect your detectors and recommend the best course of action. They can also help you to develop a comprehensive fire safety plan for your home. A well-designed and properly maintained fire safety system can help to protect your home and family from the dangers of fire. Remember, smoke detectors are an important part of that system, but they are not a substitute for other fire safety measures, such as having a fire extinguisher on hand and knowing how to use it. By taking all of these steps, you can help to create a safer home environment for yourself and your family. It is important to understand that different types of smoke detectors are designed to detect different types of fires. Ionization smoke detectors are more effective at detecting fast-flaming fires, while photoelectric smoke detectors are more effective at detecting slow smoldering fires. For the best protection, it's recommended to install both types of smoke detectors in your home, or to use dual-sensor smoke detectors that combine both technologies. Also consider the specific needs and risks of your household. For example, if you have young children or elderly adults living in your home, you may want to install smoke detectors with strobe lights or vibrating alarms to help them wake up in case of a fire. If you have hearing impairments, you may want to install smoke detectors with visual alarms or bed shakers. When choosing smoke detectors, look for models that are certified by a reputable testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories or Intertech. These certifications indicate that the smoke detectors have been tested and meet certain safety standards. It's also important to read the manufacturer's instructions carefully before installing and using smoke detectors. The instructions will provide important information about proper placement, maintenance, and testing. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully to ensure that your smoke detectors are working properly. Remember, smoke detectors are a critical part of your home safety plan. By taking the time to choose the right smoke detectors, install them properly, and maintain them regularly, you can help to protect your home and family from the dangers of fire.